on, everybody? It's Dave in here helping you play creatively. So recently I've been getting some requests for altar calls / prayer chords. And so I'm gonna give you some of my favorite chords that I use. These are kind of like my go-to chords. Now I will say this, that these are for beginner and intermediate musicians starting off, but we're gonna move into some more complex ideas in this lesson. So I think this is gonna be great for everybody. You're just gonna wanna stay tuned for everything, okay? So the chords that I like to play are a 4 chord going to a 1/3. And so what I mean by that is, if we're in the key of C, I'd play F major 7, okay, and F is my 4, going to a 1 chord. Now my 1 chord is going to be a sus2 chord, C sus2, okay. I'm doing that in first inversion, and then I'm playing an E in my left hand, okay? So you have F major 7 like this, and then C sus2 over E, or 1/3, yeah. So F major 7, 4, 1/3, okay? And so when I have that chordal structure, I just play around it. I may change up the inversion. Everything is based on this idea, right? So I'm applying some just small little riffs to it. Okay, it's a very common worship piano riff, all right? Just quite frankly, a common piano riff. All right, so. Okay, now something else that will help you play this well is going ahead and adding a pad. So let's go ahead and do that on here, all right? Okay, so now we got something for the beginner musicians, we got something for the intermediate musicians. We're gonna go ahead and add some piano riffs. Now, what's gonna go ahead and make this a lot more interesting, and this is why I like this just simple chord progression, is we're gonna start taking this and putting this in some other keys. But we're not gonna go up in half steps or whole steps. We're gonna move in kind of this minor third fashion, all right? So it's gonna go like this. What I did there was I went to A flat A flat major 7 to E flat over G. And the reason why I said we're moving up minor third wise is because the first chord was F major and we went up a minor third to A flat. Now we're going to do it again. We're going to do it one more time. And we're going to do it again. Just keep taking up. Okay, so that's what we're doing here, we're just going from a 4 to a 3, and then we're just taking that up in minor thirds to different keys, okay? So we went from A flat to a E flat over G. In this case, all right, what we're doing is we're playing a B major to a F sharp over A sharp, okay? And then for D, we got D major 7, we're playing D major 7 going to A over C sharp, okay? You're thinking of it in this basic context, and then you can start to add whatever extension, whatever riff you want to add. Woo! Anyway, you guys get the idea. I have a lot of fun with this, so you can see why it's kind of like my favorite. It's just a simple idea, but we're just taking it and we're just adding some more complexity to it. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like content like this, go ahead and like and subscribe. And that just tells YouTube, hey, this guy's producing great content and you guys should share it with more people. Also, if you want to learn the piano in a step-by-step process, go ahead and go to play-creatively.com where you can find everything you need to grow in your piano playing journey. What I'm going to do this week is I'm going to give a little promotion. For the next, let's say, I don't know, 7 people that go ahead and use the code in the description below, you're going to get 20% off of the piano membership for life. That's right, for life. Well, until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll keep growing together. I'll see you guys next week.